Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, then hey and welcome. Thanks for subscribing. And if you've been here for a while now, then thank you for staying with me basically. But yeah, so for today's video I wanted to do like a nice smoky, like smoke and simple eyeshadow look. So this is what I came up with. It's very simple, but then it's very fierce and cute at the same time. So if you want to know how I got this makeup look, then make sure you keep on watching. Okay guys, I did my eyebrows and I primed my face as well off camera. So I used the Makeup Magnesia on my face, and I used my Makeup Revolution brow pomade in dark brown for my eyebrows. So we're just gonna move straight into the eyes, and I'm going to use the Revolution Cold Crease Canvas, and this is in the shade medium. Yeah, I think it's medium, something like that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna pop that on my lid. And then using just a fluffy brush, going to blend that. Okay, now that's done, we are going to move straight into eyeshadow, and today we are going to use the Morphe's 3502 palette. And first I want to dig into, first we're going to start with the black. So it's this shade down here. I think I threw away the shade names, so yeah, it's just this black one here. Don't know what it's called. So I'll just take a little bit of that. I'm going to pat that right here. Okay, I'm going to clean off my brush just a little bit. And then I'm going to take this brown shade over here, this one, and then put that just above the black. Okay, now I'm going to take a different blush. This is a bit more fluffy, and I am going to go into this orange shade here, and I'm just gonna put that as a transition color right above that brown, so right there. Okay, now I want to go back into the black, so grab more of the black, just pop that in the center right there. And then with the fluffy brush, just blend that without adding any products onto it. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. Yeah. Okay, now we are going to pop on eyelashes, and I'm going to do this off camera, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, now that my, what do you call them, eyelashes are done, we're going to move straight into foundation. And again, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro coverage foundation in the shade Coffee. I usually just take like 2 pumps of this. And what I've realized as well, I forgot to tell you guys, I mixed this foundation with, I think it was the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade, what was the shade in that? 8N. So the 8N was a bit too light for me, and the coffee was a little bit too dark, so I thought I'd mix it. So yeah, I forgot to mention that one when I did the video last week, but yeah. So if you're my skin shade and you want to get coffee, it might be just a little bit dark. It's only matching because I mixed it with the 8N, which is basically too light for me, and then it's giving me like a normal shade. So just be aware of that. Okay, and now we are going to move straight into concealer, and I'm using my Eyelook Pro concealer in Fawn, and just put that in all the areas that I usually highlight. Alright, and now you're just going to grab your damp beauty sponge and blend. Okay, and now just take the flat side of the thing and then blend the harsh lines. Okay, and now I'm going to take my black opal in medium, which I mixed with the Fenty and honey, and I'm just going to use that to set the concealer. All right, now you want to take your face powder, and where's my sponge falling on the floor? Never mind. I use the black opal in dark. I'm just gonna use that for all over my face. Make sure you always put powder on the eyebrows, or else they'll be looking shiny, and shiny eyebrows are not cute, so you know. Okay, let me take off this Vaseline. Okay, now we are going to contour, and I'm going to use the Primark Press Powder in Rich Espresso. And then, is this my contour brush? Yeah, just taking a contour brush, dig into that. Okay, and then going back with the powder brush, I'm just going to take away excess powder. Okay, now I'm going to take this small angle brush and I'm going to use it to contour my nose. And I'm going to take my Juvia's Place, the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette. And I'm going to go into this middle shade right here, just like a little bit, because it's very pigmented, so. Okay, that will do. And now we are going to go back with the eyes. Oh, taking the same Morphe palette, I want to take, where's the brush? I'm gonna take this, it's like a fluffy, flat-ish brush, and I'm going to take this brown here that we used and then just smoke that under my eyes. Okay, now that's nice and smoky. So now I'm going to grab this, it's just a black eyeliner, and I'm going to pop down my waterline. Alright, now that I'm done with that, we are going to go in with blush, back again with the Juvia's Place, and then I'm going to take again this top one here. I'm going to mix it with a bit of the orange. Okay, and now we are going to spray the face with my Primark setting spray. Okay, so now I'm going to take the ColourPop cream highlighter and I'm going to put this on all the areas that I highlight. Okay, and now I'm going to take my fan brush and using the same highlight, I'm going to highlight my cheeks. Okay, and then go back with your blush brush and just blend. Alright. And now I'm going to do my lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going to take my dark brown lip pencil and I'm just going to line my lips. Okay, now I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution liquid lips. It's not liquid lipstick, it's a lip gloss in the shade Beryl. I just pour that all over my lips. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I literally haven't done like a smoky eye in so long, but I love it. It's like, it's nice and simple, but it's like fierce. Like, yeah, I like smoky eyes. It's so cute. But yeah, this is how the eyes look like. But yeah, what do you guys think? So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought about the makeup look and what other eye looks you want to see from me as well. And please make sure you have subscribed and hit that notification bell as well so you get notified when I upload next. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.